have some things you want to show us? You want to go ahead and share your screen?
Yeah.
And while Wojciech is calling up his screen, a reminder to go to www.lcpmedia.com/TourBuilder and express interest. It's not a long form. It's a short form. There's not a lot of questions. Just
some basics. We just need your name, email, and your location. All right. Perfect. All right. So we've been talking a lot about TourBuilder Pro Go. So I did want to spend just a few minutes talking about TourBuilder Go, giving you kind of a sneak peek into the application, how it works, because I really do want to point out and stress that it is a super easy system to use. So again, if you have any experience shooting 360s, picking up TourBuilder Go is not going to be a problem for you. Again, if you are ready to sign up, you can go to lcpmedia.com/TourBuilder. So let's talk about the system itself, right? So we've been talking about one-shot cameras. Again, the Ricoh Theta Z1 is our preferred camera at the moment, but we do support a variety of 360 one-shot cameras. But this is what we call our TourBuilder kit. This is what we would recommend that our TourBuilder Pros carry. I'm sorry, TourBuilder Go Pros carry. So it would be some sort of 360 one-shot camera. So let's call it a Ricoh Theta Z1, a tripod, a battery pack, because we all probably know that these batteries don't last very long. So on longer shoots, having a battery pack is absolutely helpful. Phone mount, and well, the hard case is kind of optional. Now, we have these kits. We've actually sourced them through our relationship with Ricoh Theta. So we actually have these and sell them. Definitely don't have to buy them from us, but we do pack these up and sell them at a $1,500 price point. Now, that's a bit cheaper than what you would get in the open market, but you can absolutely go to Amazon or use your own equipment. But this is the kit that we use and recommend, and these are the pieces.